In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. Same goes with the Ethereum price action. We have also met our bearish target exactly as predicted. But the question is, what is next for these coins, especially with Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as the whole crypto market? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this falling channel. Kasi look at this, falling channel is usually a continuation pattern, but we have two scenarios dito. One is the bullish breakout and one is the bearish breakout. And right now, what is playing is the bearish breakout scenario. And diba, sabi natin sa inyo, bearish breakout scenario would indicate that we are going to get the height and then we are going to put this at the point of breakout. In that case, that is a shorting opportunity up until the target nitong 50 moving average within the 4-hour time frame. And look at that, we have met our target exactly as predicted. And then after that, wala tayong nakitang signs of a bullish or bearish trend reversal. In the early, nagkaroon tayo ng short sign ng bullish reversals. However, that did not play out kasi look at that. Typically, that should be a sign of a bullish reversal, but it did not play out. What instead happened is it continued with the massive sell volumes to the downside. And as of the time being, if we're going to look at the Bitcoin price, we are not yet seeing any signs of a bullish trend reversal for the time being dito kay Bitcoin. Kasi take a look at this, guys. Price is declining, but the RSI is not increasing. It's still declining, so that is not a sign of a bullish trend reversal. So as of the time being, we're going to expect siguro somehow a consolidation between this area around the 44.2k up until the 45.8k. So right now, I'm going to expect consolidation within this area. And siguro ang kailangan natin next na tingnan dito is mag-form tayo ng somehow ng bullish indicator wherein the price should be declining. At the same time, the RSI should be increasing. Kasi in that case, if we are going to see those type of movement, then we can see a possible bullish trend reversal. Which is right now, wala pa tayong nakikitang ganun signs of a bullish trend reversal. So as of the time being, siguro short-term bullish retracement to, pero I don't think it's going to be a bullish trend reversal yet for the Bitcoin price action. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action if you're going to see any bullish trend reversal indicator dito kay Bitcoin. And then guys, ito din yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kasi right now, di ba nag-cross yung ating MACD? And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, MACD is a delaying indicator. Kung kailan nag-pump, saka pa lang magka-cross yung ating MACD. And look at this, nag-pump na siya, tapos saka pa lang nag-cross, and then tingnan nyo, naging red candle yung ating candle ngayon ni Bitcoin sa weekly. So di ba, pinapakita ko sa inyo guys na when you're going to monitor MACD within the bigger time frame, you have to monitor the momentum and not the bullish cross. So in this case, look at this, we have followed properly the bullish momentum, and then ayun na nga. Right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price dito with our weekly time frame? So as of the time being, as you can see, we are now actually testing the 21-week EMA, and the 21-week EMA is a very crucial support area because if we're going to look back in time, the 21-week EMA is actually a good and very strong support for the bull market. Kasi look at this, whenever we are in a long-term bull market, we are above this area and we are holding this support as a very strong support area. And look at this right now, we are above this area and right now we are testing the support. So right now, what must happen in order for the Bitcoin price action as well as the whole crypto market to stay bullish is this must hold this green line. Kasi if we're going to hold this green line, then that would indicate that we are currently in a long-term bull market na nga. So right now, we have to wait this one out, and the weekly candle close for this candle is going to happen this Monday at 8 a.m. So yung confirmation natin for this weekly candle close na magiging bullish tayo would be around siguro the Monday at 8 a.m. So right now, that is what I am currently monitoring within the weekly time frame. But it's actually possible na mangyari lang dito is actually retest and then saka tayo mag-bounce. Similar with what we saw dun sa ating previous movement. Nagkaroon tayo na retest and then saka tayo nag-bounce. So right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price action within the weekly time frame. But guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible as well as Ethereum, one of the best place to trade this is actually in Bybit. As dito guys, kay Bybit, if you're going to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin, pwede kayo makakuha ng bonus when you're going to deposit US dollars. So if you want to claim bonus of up to 3,000 US dollars dito kay Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. Now, let's talk about the altcoin market na nga, and kamusta na ba yung altcoin market natin within this current movement? So, as you can see, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, whenever the dominance is increasing, then that would indicate na altcoins are going to bleed. Pero whenever the dominance is declining, that is going to indicate altcoins are going to be healthier than Bitcoin kasi that would indicate that more people are moving their money from Bitcoin to altcoins. And right now, look at this. Dominance is rapidly declining, indicating that we are still in an altcoin season. So right now, altcoin season is still ongoing. And right now, we still don't have any signs of end ng ating altcoin season, not unless mahit natin itong next support area. So for the time being, altcoins are relatively performing well against Bitcoin. So if you have any altcoins ngayon, then that is a good tradable opportunity right now. And if may gusto kayo ipati sa akin na altcoins, you can actually comment them down below so that we can actually check them out in the next video. But siguro let's give a quick update within specific altcoins ngayon, such as Ethereum. So right now, this is what is forming with Ethereum. So as you can see, we previously saw a symmetric triangle and that is a 50-50 move. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, you have to wait for a breakout. And look at this, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout to the downside, indicating that that was a confirmed move with sell volume. And if you have opened a shorting opportunity, then congratulations if you have played that one out. And look at that, it has met our target exactly as predicted around the $3,240 US. And then after playing that one out, we are now currently forming a bullish divergence. Look at this, the price is declining while the RSI is increasing. So that is a sign of a bullish trend reversal indicator with the Ethereum price action. So right now, I think we might see a bullish trend reversal for the time being to Ethereum. I think what we can target dito is actually the previous support and now it's going to act as a resistance around the $3,300 US, or siguro around $3,350 US to be exact. That is what I am currently right now monitoring with the Ethereum price action, as right now, this is a very good swing tradable opportunity. Another thing to talk about din dito is actually Cardano, kasi look at this. Cardano actually went down and previously kasi si Cardano nagkaroon din actually ng symmetric triangle within the hourly time frame. So ayan o. We can actually plot that symmetric triangle. So ayan o. And then ang target nitong triangle is actually by getting the height and bumagsak tayo following that specific target, following the bearish scenario. And I think similar with Ethereum, it's potentially forming somewhat a similar bullish divergence. However, ito yung problem ko, yung RSI is somehow moving sideways, but still that can be a good indicator pa din na pwede natin sabihin na pwedeng magkaroon ng bullish retracement si Cardano. So as of the time being, Cardano is also a good thing to watch out for the time being, as right now we are seeing that potential bullish divergence forming within the Cardano price action. Diving in with BNB, I think similar din siya with Cardano. As you can see, similar with Cardano, we can see na we are seeing that declining price while the RSI, siguro it's moving sideways. Pero ito, medyo hindi ganun ka-clear yung kanyang bullish divergence. So, medyo 50-50 ako dito with BNB. But right now, if you're going to play this one out, itong bullish divergence, then we might see also a bullish trend reversal. Pero if hindi siya isang clear na bullish divergence, then expect consolidation rather than a bearish movement. Kasi right now, I think the whole crypto market is actually looking good as compared to Bitcoin kasi the Bitcoin dominance is declining, indicating na we actually have a lot of altcoins to watch out for kasi right now, altcoin market is actually performing better than the Bitcoin price action. So siguro yun muna update natin for the time being, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.